Good morning, students, and welcome back to your English class. Students, as you all know, that we have started completing Unit 1 of our English practice book, and that is naming words. And till now, we have completed worksheet up to worksheet number 2, and I have given you worksheet number 3 as your homework. So let us see what you have done here. So in this worksheet 3, see the heading is special naming words. So let us find out by solving this worksheet that what are special naming words. What is your name? All of you might have filled your own name here. Then here your father's name, here your mother's name, then city, your city, and I have told you if you are living in a village you can write here by cutting city, you can write here village name also. Okay, then your favorite festival, your favorite book, and your favorite newspaper. And these two answers I have told you that day, that here you will write down Mount Everest, and in this you will write Ganga, the Ganga. Now students, what are all these? See here, all these are the names of special persons, places, things. Okay, so all these are the special names. Like here, see, whenever you are asked to write your name, so if I say only a boy and girl, then it can be any. But if I name anyone particularly, then it becomes a special name. Similarly, father, it can be anybody's father. But when I name here someone, it means I'm talking about a special person who is some special person's father. About whom am I talking? So all these are the special names. Now all the names that you have written above are special names. All these names that you have written this side, they are special names. For example, if you are a boy or a girl, okay, you are a boy or girl. Okay, either you are a boy or a girl, but your special name is, so you will write your own, here your own name here. Okay, so that is your special name. Similarly, father, mother, city, festival, mountains, rivers, etc. are all common naming words. So similarly, all these words are here. Like when I say father, mother, city, festival, book, and newspaper. Similar mountain and river. So all these are the common naming words, and but they have special names also. What does that mean? It means कि जब हम कहते हैं फादर या मदर कहेंगे या कोई फेस्टिवल ही बोलते हैं फेस्टिवल, तो जब भी मैं ऐसे बोलती हूँ फेस्टिवल, तो सो मेनी फेस्टिवल्स आर देयर, वी सेलिब्रेट सो मेनी फेस्टिवल्स. देखिए आप लोग होली मनाते हैं, लोहड़ी मनाते हैं, दिवाली मनाते हैं, ठीक है, वैसाखी मनाते हैं, क्रिसमस मनाते हैं, ईद मनाते हैं. सो मेनी फेस्टिवल्स आर देयर. तो जब मैं अगर फेस्टिवल वर्ड बोलती हूँ तो आपके माइंड में क्या आता है? सारे फेस्टिवल्स आएंगे. कोई भी फेस्टिवल हो सकता है. लेकिन अगर मैं पर्टिकुलरली एक फेस्टिवल का नाम ले लूँ, सपोज मैं कह दूँ दिवाली, ओके, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैं एक स्पेशल नेम ले रही हूँ दिवाली, जो कि एक फेस्टिवल है. ठीक है, तो आई एम रेफरिंग टू अ पार्टिकुलर फेस्टिवल, मतलब मैं एक विशेष फेस्टिवल की बात कर रही हूँ जिसका नाम दिवाली है. ठीक है, सो वैसे ही माउंटेन्स, अगर मैं माउंटेन्स कहती हूँ तो बहुत सारे माउंटेन्स हैं दुनिया में. अरावली हैं, माउंट एवरेस्ट है, शिवालिक हैं, धौलाधार है, इंडीज़ हैं, एल्प्स हैं, बहुत सारी माउंटेन रेंजेस हैं. लेकिन अगर मैं पर्टिकुलरली एक माउंटेन का नाम ले लेती हूँ, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखा है माउंट एवरेस्ट, तो जब मैं माउंट एवरेस्ट बोलूँगी तब आपके माइंड में केवल क्या आएगा? केवल माउंट एवरेस्ट आएगा, क्योंकि मैं एक पर्टिकुलर एक स्पेशल चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, केवल उसी का नाम ले रही हूँ. लेकिन अगर मैं माउंटेन्स कहती हूँ तो इट कैन बी एनी माउंटेन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सो माउंटेन वर्ड जो है वो कॉमन नेम है. और जब मैं स्पेशली माउंट एवरेस्ट बोल रही हूँ, अरावली माउंटेन रेंज का नाम ले रही हूँ, एल्प्स का ले रही हूँ, इंडीज़ का ले रही हूँ, धौलाधार का ले रही हूँ, झास्कर का ले रही हूँ, सिल्ला का ले रही हूँ, सो मैं अगर किसी एक माउंटेन का नाम ले रही हूँ तो दैट इज़ इट्स स्पेशल नेम, वो किसी और माउंटेन का नाम नहीं है. ठीक है, माउंट एवरेस्ट एक ही है हमारे पास. ठीक है, वैसे ही आप अपने ऊपर ले लीजिए. अगर मैं कहती हूँ बॉय, तो बहुत सारे बॉयज़ हैं दुनिया में, कोई भी बॉय हो सकता है। आपके माइंड में सारे बॉयज़ आएंगे, आपके सारे क्लासमेट्स, सारे बॉयज़ आपकी क्लास के, सारे बॉयज़ आपके स्कूल के, आपके नेबरहुड के। लेकिन अगर मैं पार्टिकुलरली एक बॉय का नाम ले लेती हूँ, सपोज आई एम सेइंग शोभित, तो इट मीन्स आप सोचना शुरू करेंगे हु इज शोभित, एंड यू विल थिंक अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन। आप केवल एक विशेष व्यक्ति के बारे में सोचेंगे जिसका नाम है शोभित। तो शोभित जो है वो स्पेशल नेम है, ठीक है। सो आई होप नाउ यू हैव माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आर स्पेशल नेम्स. So let us head towards our next worksheet. Now see here what is written. Remember, persons and places have special names also. Sometimes we may also give special names to certain things or to our pets. That is your pet animals. Like जैसे आप लोग घर में dogs रखते हो. Like you people keep your dogs as your pets. Okay. So do you say to him dog? No. You give him a special name. And he also get conditioned to that name. Okay, he also get conditioned to that name because you have given a particular name, a special name. जैसे डॉग्स रखे हैं ना, आपने अपने घर में कोई पेट रखा है तो आप उसको नाम देते हो, ठीक है। तो वो उसी जब आप अगर सपोज 3-4 डॉग्स हो गए, क्योंकि आपका डॉग जो है वो हैबिचुअल हो जाता है अपने उसको सुनने का, आदी हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो क्योंकि उसको पता है कि ये नाम जब पुकारा जाता है तो इट मीन्स दे आर टॉकिंग टू मी, तो वो स्पेशल नेम होता है उसका, ठीक है। तो हम अपने पेट्स को भी स्पेशल नेम देते हैं, ऑल्दो इट्स अ डॉग बट वी हैव गिवन हिम अ स्पेशल नेम। जैसे कुछ लोग टॉमी रखते हैं, कुछ लोग कुछ और नाम दे देते हैं आप लोग, ठीक है, स्कूबी, टॉमी और एनीथिंग एल्स. So students, let us find out what is given in this number 2. Read the examples given below. Now here they have given some examples here. The Ganges. Now see the pronunciation of this word, Ganges. What is this word? Ganges. Actually it refers to river Ganga. Okay, so the Ganges is a holy river. Now here students, when I say Ganga, then only river Ganga will flash in your mind. You will think only about river Ganga. But when I say river, so river is a common name. River is a common name. And if I say only river, so any river can come into your mind. It can be river Satluj, it can be river Byas, it can be Brahmaputra, it can be Yamuna or any other river. Okay, so river is a common name and Ganges or Ganga is a special name. Similarly, Amitabh is a great actor. You all might have seen actor Amitabh. All of you watched Kaun Banega Crorepati. Okay, so there the anchor is Amitabh Bachchan. So when I say Amitabh Bachchan, तो आपके माइंड में केवल क्या आती है, तस्वीर अमिताभ बच्चन की आती है ना। लेकिन इफ़ आई से एक्टर, तो एक्टर तो बहुत सारे हैं, ठीक है। So any actor can come into, so many actors they will start flashing in your mind. Okay, like you may think about Salman, you may think about Shahrukh, you may think about Varun Dhawan or any other. So actor is a common name and Amitabh is a special name. Next one is the Times is a newspaper. The Times is the name of a newspaper. Okay, and newspaper is a common name. If I say only newspaper, so similarly so many newspapers are there. All of you see them in your daily lives, like Amar Ujala, Divya Himachal, Punjab Kesari, Hindustan Times, the Tribune. So many newspapers are there. But when I say the Times, it means I'm talking about a particular newspaper whose name is the Times. So the Times is a special name and newspaper is a common name. Next one is Diwali is a festival of lights. I have narrated you earlier also about it. So Diwali is a common name, special name, and festival is a common name. Next is Sunday is the best day of the week. Now students, we have, how many days do we have in a week? 7. Okay, so every day is given some particular name. Okay, so Sunday, when I say Sunday, so only that day will flash in your mind, that is a holiday and you enjoy that too much. Okay, so Sunday is a special name and day is a common name. Now day is also a naming word. Morning, evening, afternoon are also naming words when you say out morning. So it refers to a particular time of the day, that is the morning time. Similarly, evening, afternoon, they are also the naming words. Now students, all the underlined words are the special names, as I have told you earlier also, for the common naming words given in bold letters. These are their common naming words: river, actor, newspaper, festival and day. And here the Gangas, Amitabh, the Times, Diwali and Sunday. These are special names. And one more thing about special names, students. Special names always begin with a capital letter. It doesn't matter you are writing them in the middle of a sentence or you are writing them at the end of a sentence. Whenever you will come across a special name, you will always begin that special name with a capital letter. मतलब ये कि स्पेशल नेम आपके पास कहीं भी आए, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के मिडल में आए, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के एंड में आए, ठीक है. बिगिनिंग में तो हम हर एक लेटर को कैपिटल ही रखते हैं सेंटेंस के. सो स्पेशल नेम इट विल ऑलवेज बिगिन विद अ कैपिटल letter. So I hope that all of you might have written all these blanks here. You have completed all these blanks here by beginning your names here with the capital letter. Like I give you one example here, like what is your name? Suppose somebody's name is Vandana Sarma. So V of Vandana and S of Sarma both will be written capital. So similarly, all these blanks, I hope you all have completed them by beginning them with a capital letter. Now students, here we are given a worksheet here, question number 3 here. So write at least 3 special names for each of the following common naming words. Now here they have given a list of common naming words, and what you are asked to do, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to write here 3 special names for that. For these common naming words, like here friends. So you can write here a name of any of your friends. Okay, any 3 friends of you. Next one is festivals. So I have mentioned so many festivals earlier also, and you all are well aware of so many festivals. So you write here the names of 3 festivals. You can take help from your dictionary or you can take help from your parents also. Okay, next is rivers. So like Ganga, Satluj, Byas. So you can write here the names of rivers. Similarly here cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. So you can write any 3 cities here. Similarly mountains like Mount Everest, Alps, Andes, Sivalik. So many mountains are there. You can write any one of them, any 3 of them. Books. So books, you can write names of so many books here. Like you have read Ramayana, Bible, Gita. Might have listened about them. Bible, Gita, Quran. Then your short story books. So you can write name of any of the 3 books. Similarly countries like India, China, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, any country you can write here, any 3. Oceans, we have Pacific Ocean, we have Arctic Ocean, we have Antarctic Ocean. So you can write their names here. Then Indian Ocean. Next one is newspapers. Divya Himachal, Amar Ujala, The Times, Hindustan Times. So many newspapers are here. Continents. Now we have 7 continents, and you can write here Asia, Africa, Europe, America, North America, South America, Australia. So students, up to here you will complete them, and next worksheet is quite easy for you. See here, you will try to complete it yourself. Worksheet 4, what you are supposed to do here they have given you 2 columns, and here they have given you a list of words. Okay, so what is given here? They have written here some common naming words and some special naming words. Now what you will do, you will try to find out common naming words and write them here, and then the special naming words here. Now how you will find out it? One thing I have told you, that special name is a particular name, and second thing, most easy thing to identify a special name is that a special name, it always begin with a capital letter. Like here Sumit, S is capital, so it's a special name. Tuesday, T is capital, it's a special name. Pencil, P is small, so it's a common name. C, cousin, it's again a common name. But students, this is for just the identification here, but you always have to keep in your mind that what is a special name and what is a common name. A common name represents the whole class of that category. It is used in common for all that persons or the things of that category, that species. So this is your homework for today. You will listen to the video carefully and try to complete these worksheets, worksheet 3 and 4. So that's all for today, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.